I've been a Wyze customer for a while now, maybe like a year or so. And when they came out with this Wyze home monitoring bundle, I decided why not. I currently have Vivint and it's fine, but it's not cheap. And Wyze is known for being kind of the opposite. Fine, but cheap. And so that's what led me to try this product out. And so I got it in the mail today, and I figure, well, why not just film the unboxing? So we have a nice package here, as they normally have. And I have preemptively cut the stickers just so that would be easier to film. So let's go ahead and try to take this out. Here we go. Okay, so we have a little sleeve there. Take that out. Oops, there it goes in the wind. And we have this box. It tells you what's in it. Oh, I forgot one of the stickers. Not surprised. Okay. So, here we go. Okay, so it starts off with the hub, it sounds like. Okay. And let's see how we open it up. Okay. Sometimes I'm a bit slower than others. Okay, there we go. Looks like, okay, we've got a box inside of a box. And then we also, I'm on the struggle bus right now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's a box inside of a box, and there's another box inside a box as well. So we have this Sense hub. Okay, so let's see what that's like here. Maybe. Okay. And it has two little antennae. Okay, looking cool. It feels good. It feels solid. Not like heavy, but not cheap. Not cheaply built. I'll just put that back in the box. And then make sure got nothing over here. Great. Over here is probably what, the charger, the cord. Yeah. So this is just the cord. Looks like there's an Ethernet cord in there and a power cord. Okay. Then we have some stickers since I backed it, so I pre-ordered it. Got the sticker, and then got some stickers for the windows so that people know to stay away, because my stuff works occasionally. Then we have a user manual. Let's see what we got here. It tells us what's going on. I know I did have an update on the Wyze app recently saying that I was going to get this in the mail. So, see here. Okay. So this is, does it say what? It's basically like the starter pack. And then on the back it also has instructions. Okay. How do I cancel an alarm? Always an important thing. All right, there's the manual. And then we have the keypad, entry sensors, and the motion sensor. So let's open those up as well. Might as well. Okay. So here we have got the keypad. And it feels pretty solid. Like, you know, not you know, the gold bar here. I'm doing a great job of opening this packaging, but solid and not flimsy. I mean, and that's how I normally feel about the Wyze product. So I'd say this is in line with the rest of the line if you are familiar. And then we have the sensors, which I wanted to buy in the past, but they stopped making them, I think, or at least selling them on their website. So that they could probably make room for these ones. So let's check these guys out. So if you're not familiar, these kinds of sensors, if you have a home monitoring system right now, you already have these in your house, most likely. I think for all of them. But if you're not familiar, if you've never had a home monitoring system. I'm not sure how exactly these ones go next to each other until I read the manual, but basically you have them on two sides of something. So let's say they're on a door. So if the door moves and they're not side by side anymore, then you know that the door's open. This could be used on a whole bunch of things, but mostly, I mean, especially for our home monitoring system, they're going to be on the doors or the windows. But if you get creative, I'm sure you can come up with some other things that you don't want people going into, maybe your candy drawer or whatever. Then the last thing here is the motion sensor. Again, this is something that's included in things like Vivint. So yeah, it looks pretty much like the Vivint one. Again, I'm having trouble because I'm trying to do it fast. Okay, so here's the motion sensor. And again, it feels like it would. These are normally pretty light, and it feels light here as well. So again, your typical motion sensor. And lastly, just some stuff to mount it. So all in all, I mean, this is just the unboxing. We'll see how it goes. But overall, it has all the components of a home monitoring system like I currently have. So I'll be interested to try it out.